Turning Red! Very, very, very fun film. We have done Red from Turning Red, the big red panda. Now we need to do... That's right. Before she goes into a big red panda, she is a girl. And she wears a cool hat. Well, I think it's cool. Yeah, it's going to come around like that. Have you seen this film yet? Let me know in the comments. It looks amazing, doesn't it? Visually, it's lovely. And this is how it comes up here. We're going to have a little bit of a bubble on there. We've got our basic outline. So all of this is really basic shapes, as we always use. Round, across, round the hat, straight lines downwards, another round line across the top there. Really, really easy. Get these things right at the pencil stage and your drawing will look much better. So we can fill in the more details and things like the hat later on. There's a couple of colours on there. That is absolutely fine. We've just got to work out where the features are going to go. So she's got a little tiny nose, yeah, like this. And little tiny nostrils like this. So her mouth is quite low down and does that. It's like a straight line with a little V in the middle. And just going to sort of put some lips very gently in like that. Then we can fix those at the inking stage. Before I do the eyes, just to show where the eyebrows are going to go, it's going to help us to know where to put the eyes. It's already starting to come together, isn't it? And then the eyes. Take some time on the eyes, get that shape right. And then lovely, and then they're very pretty eyelashes coming up the top there like that. Circles in there, and then there's circles within circles. Like with all Pixar films, they look very detailed and gorgeous. And that, my friends, is almost there, isn't it? It's pretty good. Just need the glasses. I like to start with glasses. We put the middle point in, then you don't go too far one way or the other. So then we're going to do an oval over this way. And an oval over this way. And then that comes out and then links back. Again, it comes out, links back. And then if you go in a colouring stage, it's got quite sort of rosy cheeks. I'm just going to put that in there to sort of suggest that's where we're going to go with it at the colouring stage. But otherwise, that is pretty much it. I'm just going to draw a collar in there as well. Pretty cool, right? Pixar know how to design a character. This is very cool. I love it. This is her in her sort of conservatively sort of quiet and shy state. Like this, but that doesn't last very long. Anyway, we're going to ink her up now. So this is on the next stage, which is coming from the direction of this way. Here we go. So this is our inking stage, digitally inking on my tablet, but you may be using a big old felt tip pen or any sort of pen really. Anyway, make sure you get everything right at the pencil stage. As you can see, mine's very, very scruffy, but with my ink here, I'm going to move over the lines that I think are the best ones. Now, it's not always going to be exactly right, but I think we're going to get the general impression. There we go. I chose to follow the different line at the top there, but yeah, it's just wherever you think looks best at this sort of inking stage. You've got lots and lots of pencil lines there, and hopefully you've rubbed out some of the ones that weren't quite right, and now you can go over the bits you like best with your pen. Onto the colouring stage. So blocking out, called flatting. This is it. Was when you fill a space with one flat colour. That's called flatting. And then I'm going to put adding in her sort of rosy cheeks there. She's got lovely sort of pink cheeks in the movie. So we've got all of our detail down here really now. It's just a case of filling in those sort of gaps. It's literally just colouring in. So if you're doing it with your pens, get your colours out and go crazy with these. You can add the sort of highlights and shades like I'm doing as well, or just leave it as flat colour. It's going to look great either way. So blocking out the colour on the hat there, and as you'll see in a moment, I'm going to start to add some shadows on the undersides and the sides, and some highlights on the top where the light would be catching it, assuming our light source is coming from the top. It gives it a much more realistic feel. It's really sort of 3D textured feel, doesn't it, on the hat there? And now really it's just a case of putting in the extra detail, colouring in a jumper and a shirt underneath as well, and a few finishing touches, and I think we are pretty much there and about to show the final piece. There she is. I'm really pleased with her. I hope you like her too, and I hope you enjoyed doing it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time on CaptainFishbeard.com.